Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. Today we're going to check out the Alen BreatheSmart 35i.
And Alan sent us this for the review.
All right, so this is the BreatheSmart 75i. We've actually had this for a couple of years, and this does a great job in this big space we have, our living room and kitchen. But the Alen BreatheSmart 35i is much smaller, and it's good for up to about 1,000 square feet.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. And look at the top. They're pretty much the same on the top as far as controls are concerned. They tell you, using this color over here, they tell you how much air purification is necessary. And then there's other features like auto and things like that. And it also has Wi-Fi, which means
You can use the Alen app. And the nice thing about the BreatheSmart 35i is they've included a lot more sensors in there so you can really get a full picture of your air quality.
so changing the filter is easy too, by the way.
Yep, they did a really nice job on the filter. You can see we've had it for about a month now and it's a little dusty. You can just vacuum that off. If you need to replace it, they have a little lock. You can unlock the filter and snap it out and snap it back in.
So you put it on the bottom and magnets hold it on.
And you can get different kinds of filters depending what your needs, if you have allergies or different kinds of dust, smoke, etc. The other really nice thing about the 35i is that it's light. I can pick it up and move it around the room. Move it to a different room if I need to.
All right, and the other thing I want to mention is this one here actually comes with a little bit of a power brick. So that's a little different. And the way it works is you plug it in here in the bottom. So it's obviously smaller, but it does basically all the same things that the 75i does, and maybe a little more.
Yep. So let's take a look at the app.
To install the 35i, just load the app on your phone and set up an account. Then select the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. It will ask which home to put the 35i in. If this is your first Alen, you need to create a home. Since we already have two, we select Add to at my home. Select the BreatheSmart 35i, enter your Wi-Fi credentials, then press and hold the auto button on the 35i until the Wi-Fi indicator starts blinking. Follow along with the app and finally name your 35i. You can group the 35i with other Alens you may have. The main screen shows the dashboard of your devices and the air quality along with filter life as a group. It also shows the temp, humidity, and air quality where you live. Selecting Air Purifier will bring up a list of Alens you have installed and their key info. Selecting the 35i brings up the details including the values of the sensors. Touching each sensor's block will show a graph of the values over the last hour. Sensors include PM 2.5, TVOC, eCO2, temp, and humidity. Select history to see a larger graph and the ability to see the results over the past week. And here you can easily switch between sensors. Selecting the filter icon will let you check filter status. The 35i determines filter life by fan speed, air quality, and runtime. The 35i uses an RFID chip and tracks filter life even if you swap out a filter and then return it, it remembers. To control the 35i remotely, select the remote icon in the lower right of the sensor summary screen. You can adjust the fan speed, which takes the 35i out of auto mode. You can set the light on the top of the 35i to low, high, or auto. Auto light is a key feature. In auto, the light will turn off if your room is dark. This is great if it's in your bedroom. The light will come back on automatically if you turn the room lights back on. Selecting mode lets you switch the 35i back to auto mode so it again controls the fan speed. Pressing lock will prevent others from playing with the controls. Pressing the three dots in the upper right-hand corner of the summary screen lets you select data to download. Select sensor data and then the date range and which of the sensor data you want. Ellen will email you a spreadsheet of your data. You can also check for updates, which we recommend you do periodically to make sure you are up to date. Ellen claims they plan to keep adding enhancements and features over time. One group feature we like is New Schedule, found near the bottom of the dashboard screen. Here you can select one or more devices to schedule and what action you want to take, like sleep. Then set the frequency and the action, sleep on or off, and a time. Name it and you're all set. The 35i is a really nice air purifier with a powerful app. Thank you for watching.